All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Sniper Squad Day Trading. My name is Hassan. We are live. It is Wednesday, August 19th, and my scanner is empty. Up, Alliance Laundry. I looked at this already. It's pretty underwhelming. Catalyst is public offering. Upgraded to buy. Yo, what up, Bobby? Three Pony. Good morning. Yeah, this is not look like anybody cares. No one cares. But mRNA is all the rage this morning. But I mean, talking $60 to 134. That's pretty crazy. I would imagine there's gonna be some massive profit taking at the open. I don't know. Maybe there's enough FOMO to overcome that though. Seems like the move's already done. But you never know. That's a crazy gap up. OG, good morning. What's up, man? How we doing this morning? Bobby, what we looking like? OG, you take any trades? mRNA is so expensive. We can have like one trade. Red YJ. Small red. That's good. If it's gotta be red, at least keep it small. Oh yeah, ain't too bad. What do you risk? Do you risk the same amount per trade, OG, or how do you manage your risk when you're trading? Two minutes. Yeah, YJ is definitely at the top of the list. What's the deal with YJ? Earnings, huh? So is this supposed to be a real company? 8 million market cap. Yo, what up, Trey? Worst month. Ah, that's tough, bro. That's tough. Yeah. It's always a tough month for undisciplined traders. Shoot. Wave Rider. What up, bro? Uh, YJ. I was just looking at it because it's at the top of my volume scanner. Time to learn how to trade pre-market. 92. Gave back half. Yeah, I do too. Here we go. Buying happening. like this little level here. Pre-market. How many shares? I could probably get like 10, 15 shares. I want to buy it back over 15 right now. Slap it. Spread is 50 cents. Yeah, it's crazy. It wants to be bought in. Right there at VWAP, right there at that pre-market high. Coward. Yo, FOMO bubbling. It's a great stock, man. It's got the great catalyst. All right, here we go. CDE. This is ETF. Daily's kind of cool. Oh no, this is queer mining. Finviz got nothing on it. I don't really see a real catalyst here.
ALH.
Yeah, I should have hit it. Sainted. I'm chilling. Yeah, that would have been a cool little 5-minute entry, but we got the lower low right here. It's worth waiting. It's worth waiting. YG nasty. I mean, it is at the top of the range, though. It's at the top of the range. Was that just popped up on the scanner?
ALH.
ALH. Oh, Alliance Laundry again. Ah, fam, Daily's looking beat. Daily looking beat. XOS. Oh, snap. Yeah, I was a little disheartened to see that Joker gap down this morning. I put my stop under this swing low over here, 327. So I think actually I'm about to move it up to 369. 69. AV WAP. It's quite the slap. Oh man. It's kind of heavy right there, but it's high day volume. Yo, this mug is calling. That was nice. Gonna regret not participating. Where's my 15-minute chart over here, brother? Oh, okay. Damn, that would have been a cold-blooded entry. What's that, HH? It's got to be mRNA. It's got to be. Ton? What? Or T9? T9. We ain't got no catalyst, bro. Shelf filing and ATM program. Is that you talking about T9 or is it actually ton? Yeah, T9. Oh, you in already?
HIMS.
Hymns. Daily is trash. What's catalyst? Lawsuit. What's with the lawsuit catalyst? This was really nice here. I should have bought that on general principle. On GP. Higher high, higher low at the level I drew. GP, man. GP. It's cool though. It's cool though. Yeah, I seen Marvel and SKHY. They just too expensive. You know, too expensive. INTC slap. Dang, mRNA. mRNA will mess around and fall. Feeling kind of lame. Feeling kind of lame. Let's get off this one. Yo, it really looked like it's trying to halt. Mm-mm-mm.
AMLX.
Oh, this from yesterday. I didn't even think to look at it. A little day 2 action. Not much volume to speak of. CDE is looking interesting. No volume on this pullback. Shoot, I remember when the market halted. Whole market circuit breaker, everything just stopped. Like, what? Wild times, man. That good old molasses. Nah, this is. I feel like the more people that participate, the more predictable the action is. You know, good old molasses. Oh, everybody think that's funny. Hilarious. What you mean, HH? What you really get? CDE might be that one. 2-8 now. Just trying to be patient for something I can be proud of. Bruh, I should have attacked mRNA down here, bro. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, yeah, for sure. For sure. T92 slap. Nah. Chill. Yo, what's up, Brian? I was just thinking about you yesterday. Like, man, I ain't heard from V in a minute. Hope all is well with you and the fam. Hey, good morning, lady. Appreciate you guys always supporting. Everything's still good. You guys still milking the market? The bag, right. The bag.
AMLX.
AMLX. Why is that? No volume. Nah, that.
HL.
Shoot, come on back down to 120, man. Do something strange. SPY, nice bounce off yesterday's high. Up and away. Up and away. mRNA from 120. Hey, that's nice. I really wanted to get it over here at my line. I wanted to be daring and take it off the open. And then this higher low right here was beautiful. Gosh, that would have been such a nice yield. Could have got a sell back through there. Another sell up here. Maybe even tap 129. It's all good. Just got to build more trust with myself. Your Schwab account was stolen? Oh, man. Dang. Do they like protect you? Like, do they have, like insurance or something where they take care of you? Or it's just done? Dang. That should be like the bank, right? Like FDIC insured or something? Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Bobby. Okay. Up to a year? Huh, come on, bro. Dang. I gotta be more careful with my account number, man. Thought it was a little more complicated than that. That's awful, man. I'm sorry to hear that, bro. Man, mRNA is really a beautiful trade off the open. Kind of disappointed. It's okay. It's still early. It's still early, and there's always tomorrow. Always tomorrow, Big deal. No big deal. Really? Dang. Yeah, I've been feeling the type of way about all these apps wanting to connect to your bank and all that stuff. It's a lot of trust being given that's not it's not deserving. It's just so convenient. It's so convenient. Oh gosh, what a
AMLX.
HL. That's a nice gap up there. This another silver situation. Basic materials, helical mining. So pull back to the opening high. Man, that's what's up, B. I figured you'd be all right. You seem like a very smart individual. I think you'd have all your eggs in one basket. You're not trading anything else until mRNA dies. Yeah, I'm just kind of disappointed I wasn't more aggressive. More aggressive. I take so many like random trades, maybe could be trades, and it's like when I got something that's really viable, you know, really good catalyst, crazy volume, and then I'm all timid, but then I'll throw a R out the window on some trash. It's annoying.
IAG.
Ah, nah, bro. This 1 minute pattern right here, bro. This is beautiful. 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 Yeah, you're probably right. I'm just feeling the FOMO. Feeling the FOMO. This volume looks like trash. I'm not even gonna look at that. 10 milli. Where the 10 milli at, HH? Man, crazy move, B. Wow. $14 a share, bro. That's awesome, man. Let me, hope you don't mind. Let me count them pockets real quick. Ooh. That's nice, man. Congratulations, sir. Do, 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 do. Catalyst on mRNA? I can't even remember. Phase 3 trial of melanoma therapy meets primary key secondary endpoints. Just watching it, unfortunately, Rob. I was too scary to take it off the open, and now I'm just feeling the FOMO. Or Romo. The Romo. Straight dumping. Yeah. Nice little recovery there. Golly. Sucker move, man. I don't know, man. I was about to. I wanted to. Just was. I'm telling you, bro. Um. Today and tomorrow.
IAG.
I don't know, man. I need like 125 HH, maybe 130. That joker gone, man. It's over. Fumbled the bag. Oh yeah. What for mRNA? Yeah, I should have definitely jammed on that first pullback at the open. Whoa, Rob. Be careful, Rob. Nah. I think that touched 95 right there, B. I know, bro. Oh, it touched 140, B. You get the sell? Yeah. I mean, it was good enough for me to be like, even though it's $100, I'm gonna watch it, but not good enough to take that stab off the open, man. What a crazy, bro. It would have been like $1 risk, bro. At like 117, maybe $2 risk. It's funny. Out all yours, Rob. Nice work, B. It was pretty good volume. All these candles are kicking good volume. It's funny. So you didn't short it? I joke, I kid. Come on, man. You got to pull back at some point, right? Actually, it doesn't. It could really just go straight up all day. He's scared. He should be. Should be.
MAIR.
All right, here we go. Can we get the VWAP reset now? Maybe we can hop on. Bruh, I'm so disappointed. Yeah, VWAP right there. Everything was right there, bro. Everything was right there. 134 return. It returned. It's still returning though.
IAG.
Man, VWAP is a country mile away. Yeah, man, I'm thinking 125 for real. Below 120, that would be wild. It's too strong for that HH. It shouldn't sell off that much. Market is back over yesterday's high though. It ain't dumped like that. I hope patience will be rewarded. Is it patience or fear though? It's patience now, but it was fear in the beginning. I don't know if that should be rewarded. Man, I should have just slapped it. It was so clear. I'm telling you, bro, it's bad. Oh, it's bad. Do I do any pre-market prep? Yeah, so I come through and I sit down, I read my morning mantra, and then I have slides. My morning mantra is like a screenshot of something I've typed up, and I read that, and then I go through the slides, which are charts that I've written up that I feel like are significant that I want to look at. So one is like 3 highs, one is like not routine. That's not what you're talking about. Anyway, I look through my slides and then I open my journal and import my trade from yesterday. I prep for the watch list. Yeah. So once I'm done with all that, then I open up my scanner and platform and go through the list. And the only thing that was really pertinent was mRNA. So open it up, draw my levels. And I had this high. I was like, I'm thinking this would be a good high. And sure enough, pulled right into there right at the open. And I just sat there. Just sat there. Did nothing. Yeah. I should have. Man, that was pretty nice too. The volume is weak though. It just looks thin. It doesn't look very nice. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get to have any fun on mRNA today. That sucks, bro. Hmm. Yeah, I figured it was gonna be this type of day. We're just gonna have one red candle and then go. One red candle, go. It's not gonna be no long pullbacks. Yep. Damn. 1 billion float. But be ready next time. It's so sad.
MAIR.
All I had to do was slap the damn button, man. The amateur moment incoming. Dang. That's sad. No. Pretty nasty top. $115. That's too much pullback, bro. That's too much. Now we're looking like 130, maybe 135. Reasonable pullback. 115, it's a short at that point. Dude, the market still look like a nice little, could do something. Break that line. I just want to just give me one real pullback. This 15-minute leg, give me a nice little low volume pullback, bro. Pull up NQ. I don't know how to look at the NQ. I gotta open like trading view and all of that, bro. Is there a ticker? I don't think I can just look up the NQ. Yeah. What's the difference? NQ. E-mini NASDAQ futures. D. Okay, I see what you're saying now. Yeah, this mug got zero chill, bro. Just come on, man. Pull back, bro. Buyers already back. I do like the 15-minute closing up here, though. Now let's get a 15-minute red. Come on, pull back. Just jump in. I hate that, bro. I was just looking at a chart today when I did that. What do I call it? Where it's like it's going straight up, man. You just no, and then by the time you talk yourself into getting in, it's obviously the top. Full Billy. Never go full Billy. Like, no. Okay, fine. Damn. Nah, bruh. Can't do it. I will not shame myself by buying the top of this thing. Pre-market high is where I'm looking now. Though it just still looks like it wants to continue super badly. But I can't buy it like that. Gotta have principles. It's principalities, Bobby. Pond hacked his account. Gotta have standards, bruh. Stand for nothing. Fall for anything. Where is Pond anyway? Where is Pond? Yo, what up, small wins? Red 5 cents on it. Man, way to keep the losses small, bro. Nice work, man. That's some good work on some slim pickings, bro. Well done, sir. Well
MAIR.
done, sir. That's a you problem. Facts. The signs are there. Bruh, this mug has zero chill. Come on, bro. You got to pull back. Let's come on back down pre-market high. And let's make some moves, man. Then we can go to 150 and beyond. Everything be fine. Uncalled for, bro. Yep, just one red candle. That's all you get, bro. That's all you get. Ain't gonna be no 15-minute pullbacks. That sucks. Yeah, it seems like it, Bobby. Unless you shorted 138. Not actually made some money though, as long as you didn't stop out when it broke 140 first. It came down to 131. It was a good short. It's focus. Yeah, I know, Bobby. I was being funny. That limit up line got to the top for a second. I do not like today. I'm ready to just go to the gym now. Sucks.
PPC.
There's 150. I mean, 55. Look at that, bro. Oh my God. Could have doubled my account today. It was quick too, Bobby. I should just flip this thing to the 1 a long time ago and just read volume. What up, Knives? Um, on some pretty nice painkillers in at the moment, but it's a pretty awful experience, man.
MAIR.
So I had like the wisdom. There was a wisdom that was out, and then there was one behind it that was under my gums, like sideways. And so he pulled the first one, and that wasn't too bad. And I mean, it was still awful, but like as far as worse dentist experiences, it was like okay. And he was like, "All right, I'm going for the next one." And he started. He was like, before he went for it, he was like, "Are you do you want me to pull it or do you want me to leave it?" And I was just like, bro, you're the dentist. Like, you tell me, bro. Like, what do you think is the best thing to do? And then he kind of dug around in there, and then he asked me again. And I guess I should have taken that as a red flag. Like, well, hey, bro, if you think it'll be all right, just leave it there then. And I just told him again, like, bro, like, you're looking at the tooth. I can't even see the tooth. Like, you tell me. And he was like, all right, I'm going to get it. And man, you know, that's a C setup for him. Bruh, I've been reflecting on him asking me that since it happened. Because, bro, it was awful, man. Like, he told me to raise my left hand if it becomes too much. And, I ain't no sucker. Do what you got to do. But, bro, I was like, all right, man, God, bro, hold up. Like, it was, bro, my eyes was watering up. It was bad. I was like, whoa, man, like, bro. And so he put some more numbing stuff all in there and everything. It did not help at all, bro. He went back in there and I'm like, I'm making noise like, oh, it's bad. Bro, it was bad. And then he talking about Tylenol and ibuprofen. I was like, bro, you got me messed up. You better go back up there and look at them books and see what you can give me, bro. I was like, I went to the other dentist you sent me to, and he gave me hydrocodones just for a infection. Like, and you gonna pull 2 teeth and give me some Tylenol? He was like, all right, let me go see what I can do. Yeah. So he came back with the good stuff. But bruh, like my last 3 trips to the dentist have exceeded my expectations of pain. Bruh, it was terrible, man. It was terrible. Last time was terrible. And I was like bracing myself for it to be that terrible. And it was way more terrible. It was way more terrible, bro. Look at this thing, bro. There's no real pullback happening. Yeah. Still hurts though. Hurts to swallow. But yeah, I mean it was a big problem. So it is nice to have it gone. But man, 61 just like that, bro. This is like the worst fumble of all time. But you know what? I gotta be more comfortable sitting in these moments without spazzing out and going to try and find something else to trade. You know, it'd be like that sometimes. Just gotta be cool. Be better on the next one. FOMO worse or teeth pain worse? Man, it's very close, Knives. Nah, the physical pain is definitely worse, but I'm definitely anguishing. It's just like me seeing the entry to take at the open and not doing it, and then seeing another one and then not doing it, and then it just goes, you know. Like I was about to just buy the move back over my line on the second minute. And then I didn't do that. And then I was about to buy this pullback right here. I was about to buy the break of that. That would have been crazy. Didn't do that. Watermelon lemonade. Dragon fruit. I don't think I've seen a dragon fruit lime, B. But you know what? I feel like they reworked the mango lemonade flavor. Because when I first had it, it was terrible. It tasted like real chemically. But now the mango lemonade is like fire, man. It's really good. It's like they reworked it or something. I like the peach vibe a lot. I like the playa. The playa, it's like pina colada or something. That one's really good. I don't think I've seen the dragon fruit lime though, bro. This is so ridiculous, bro. This is big money buying this, bro. Okay. They came out with another one recently too. Um, bro. It's like every time you think it's too high to buy, it goes up another $5. Watching isn't helping. Scalp the small dips. VWAP is so far away that like if it got there, would you really want to trade it? I was thinking that too, B. Just flip to the one and start buying the little guys. But you always say do more work. This is a good opportunity. Feed the FOMO. Yeah, nah, we can't do that. It's a thin line. Yeah, I gotta stand on principles, man. You know, it's just missed it. You know, just missed it. It's like some unstoppable buying. Yes, come on. Wow. I did not even think it would be necessary to draw all these lines. Pretty easy volume read right here. 'Come on, bro. 1036. Well, this is market time knives. Hey, look, the SPY broke out. Finally getting some pullback. Could it be? It definitely looks like the top. Some still needs to come way down, man. Way down. I'm telling you, that's what I'm saying, bro. I need some kind of protocol for these type of stocks to be able to trade them. Buy at the level. I was just thinking that. Like, I could just buy it at the level. Like I said. Hilarious. What up, T-Lo? Hmm. I ended up doing really well. New 15-minute candle. There's levels all through here, but like, what's really significant? Mm. Maybe 140. Shoot, come on down pre-market high and VWAP for real. What would I grade this setup? On the 15, this could be really clean. I'd want it back down to pre-market high though, for sure. I mean, actually, if it held this low right here, we could talk 142. Politician. Oh yeah, T-Lo. I will accept your gift. Okay, we got a little climactic in here, a little climactic buying back in. This might be it. Let's give it some more time. I really think it does need to come on down though. Yeah, the 15 actually is looking pretty cool, but I mean, we're talking about another 12 minutes for this candle to close. I don't want to take a wide range break back over that close. Um, 15 looking better and better. It's at least gonna be a retracement leg. I would think though. At this point, more likely to throw a lower high and continue down.
HYMC.
Order filled.
Hmm. Looking at here. 142.80. Yeah, this ain't doing it. It don't matter if it could go up to back up to 170, bro. $5 ain't nothing. I only got one share, bro. Risk is managed. Everything's relative. Come on, man. We got to take back 150 to have some hope here. I can't scale taking trades like this. I don't understand why. I mean, I'm literally
Order filled.
and risking based on structure. The shares are calculated behind the scenes. It's just risking this much to get that much, you know.
TTEK.
Later, B.
CGAU.
What up, Santa? Nothing, man. Just missed the move of the year. Did you? Well, I lost $5. Dang, you went short 150, got squeezed out. Yeah. Dang. Yeah, this one is a beast, man. Kind of dangerous to get in front of, for sure. Yeah. You still averaging and stuff? I'm surprised you didn't just, well, I guess it's kind of to go 150 and then add up through 160s. That's pretty risque. Yeah, especially on a one with a catalyst like this. Trying to see where at 150. Yeah, it's a pretty nice situation for sure. For sure. Back what happened. Yeah, it makes the most sense to me at this point. Tesla, huh? That is one chart I rarely pull up.
BMNR.
Under 120. That's too much, bro. If it don't bounce on VWAP, I'll definitely shut it down. VWAP pre-market high area. That's the last line in the sand there. The trades at. SPY's looking great. Look at that. NQ little recovery there. HH.
HL. TTEK.
Just drop. Need that climactic move through VWAP and back up. Long 135.50, huh? Snipe that. Where I don't even see. Oh, you're going long. Okay, I was about to say, how you do that? What would the grade of this setup be? Hmm. Still didn't really penetrate VWAP, man. That's what's up, Rob. I definitely think it's worth trading. I mean, it's super in play. The range on this is pretty dramatic also. Finally got some buyers coming back in. Now we can start to make a thesis of an entry here. I really wanted it to slam through this VWAP though. Let's see what happens here. Lower, higher, higher, high. The 15 is about to trigger. He's a politician. 15 is about to trigger. It's okay to say I don't know the grade. $39.70. Okay, got the little high right there. Think that might have been it. Trying to wait for too much. Let's see, man. Let's see. See what that pullback's looking like. Might not pull back though. Yeah. That needed to be a rip. Yeah, these little skinny candles here, bro. That would have been a nice little moment. Or at least the 15 trigger. One of them mugs. Dang, just gonna run me down, huh, Sansa? Dang, it's already 10:30. Ben 10? What is that?
HL.
Bitcoin is up 5% in the last 8 hours. Ben 10 was a show about a kid who could turn into different aliens. I know I called this level out up here before I took this trade and took it anyway, and here it is down where I wanted it. I think we might get one, man. Trying to stay off of this one though. Just wait for something nice on the 5. I should have took that 15-minute trigger. This time of day too. Might have to just go on and take my little half-hour loss and come back tomorrow. Just need a higher low 5 red candle on lower volume. And to make a new low below 139.76. Yeah, right. It can happen. Yeah, actually, my biggest ROI probably now is just getting my red days fewer and smaller. Dumb stuff. Come on, drop it down low. They don't want to sell it. What Trey say? If it can't break down, if it can't break down. YJ at 418. I actually think that's really nice on the 15. It's kind of thin though. It's definitely going sideways. Definitely going sideways. Sitting sideways. Come on, man. Just give me a red. Give me a red. I'm about to go. About to go somewhere. There you go. Bring it on back. Bring it on back. Yeah. Bring it on back. 52. Nah, come on. Bring it on back. What's up, Gus? It's going okay. My good trades have gotten better, and still kind of taking stupid trades on too much of a regular basis, unfortunately. Low 62.51. It's a trigger. So, man, that's cool, Gus. Mm. YJ working out for you, Santa. That's what's up. Look good on the 15. Nice little hammer on the 5, too.
Order filled.
About $1 late. I feel like I was a little late for me, Gus. I really wanted 138. What was that? I wanted to just buy the close of this candle as soon as it broke over 138.71. So I'm like $1.20 higher than I wanted to be. Hopefully that won't matter in a few moments. Well, thanks, Knives. Is this A? I'm not sure. I mean, the macro is A for sure. As far as what I want to see happen when it comes into a level, we see buyers come in here, push it up, wait for the lower volume pullback. We got that. Then we got the break of the close. So this right here is a really good setup for me. Now, is it in the best location, best time of the day, best part of the chart? You know, not necessarily. But this is a good, I would say this is a good trade. We'll see what the results are. Well, I try to wait for the buyers to come in. So like these two candles right here, Gus, is me seeing, okay, the buyers have stepped back in after this, you know, long move down of sellers having control. So to me, this is like the buyers taking back control. And then I wait to see what the pullback looks like to see if the sellers take it back from the buyers or if it's kind of light. And I felt like this was pretty light. So, you know, we'll see. But I mean, we got a lot of overhead volume over here. So it's not really the most ideal location. Like if it happened over here, you know, as it made a high, that would be great. So we'll see. If we can take out 140, 143.88, get over into 144, I'll feel really great. This is actually pretty nice though. Don't get me excited, Gus. Threaten me with a good time. Spread kind of wide, Sosa. I mean, if there was ever I really want to add some more shares right here. My non-existing sale rules. Don't be a hater. Shoot, we looking for 150. 750. What's this right here? 150.66. Yeah, I really wanted to add right there, Gus. But I've been trying to not add until I get to a take profit. So I don't want to add risk. I want to add back shares. Which I think could change when I can trust myself a little more to trade better. It's just kind of hard to tell when I'm on point and when I'm emotional. Yeah, seems like it, Gus. I don't know though, man. I think we're good. I think we're good. Yeah, I would have expected a bigger pop from here. Really got to get over 142, man. We're getting close though. The ask is getting up there. The bid is lagging a bit. Oh boy. I think it goes back to not having. I totally have sell rules knives. Keep talking about this every day. Come on, 142. Each setup is an A, therefore max loss days are frequent because A quality trades aren't. Shares at 139.50. Kind of hoping it doesn't go back down there, Gus. Not kind of. I'm very much hoping. Hey, that bid and ask is tightening up. Yeah, buddy. You apply that to every stock. T said it better. Come on, 142. Watch for market makers to move on this request. Can you explain that a little more? 10K shares on the bid. So somebody wants to buy 10K shares. And what does the market maker do? Move the price down into that level so they can get it. Come on, 42. Whatever. Look at that, baby. 142. Come on. I think we might have caught it. We caught it. Maybe. Down to a level that will allow 10K shares to be filled near 139. Come on, 42. Put it on the bid. What is that? Hey, that looks nice. We just got to crack 140. Oh, we cracked 142. Don't forget to take profit. I'm waiting for it. Yeah, I feel that. I was thinking that over the weekend, man. Like, man, when I'm red, when I get back in and get some profit, just cover the loss first and then worry about banking. But you know, I just want to trade the trade the way it's supposed to be traded. Not trade my P&L. Look at them buyers. Come on, man. My price ain't moved though. P&L is the only thing that matters in the end. Yeah, but you can't get there by focusing on it. It's just how you measure your ability to extract expected value. I know, man. I want some leg stretching though. We got too much soaking. Look at all this. I'm telling you, Knives. Yeah, I'm very happy with the entry. I just, bro, I wish it could move. That's kind of sketch looking. 142.97, 143.88. Why did I think 142 was the number I was looking for? It would be quite the achievement to take out 142 again. All that selling. Dang, it's almost lunchtime. How to YJ? See how you did over there, bro. You didn't do nothing too crazy. Where'd you get in at? Oh, yeah, you didn't do much at all. That's the higher low right here. Hit it again. Yeah, I mean, it was going sideways, bro. Sideways. Sitting sideways. On 43.88. Yeah. Yeah, 142 is thick. Seen it. I was thinking of at least taking some at the high of this wick right here, which is 43.88, but I'm bad at taking consolation shares. Oh, look at that. I'm kind of an all or nothing kind of guy. We might have caught it, y'all. We might have caught it. Look at it go. It's getting climactic. Never. I still gotta add that GIF. It's gonna be hard to sell before 150. Nah, I know, right? She only had enough to get one share, bro. It's getting hot. All right, we got a little tiny higher low on the 5 right there. So I'm gonna move my stop up over break even. I really want to get to 150, but I don't want to be a fool. It took a lot of patience. I'm glad I only lost half a R on this trade. I knew this is where I wanted to go, man. I just got weak, yo. It's getting climactic on the volume over here. Can we tear through 145? There we go. Oh, yeah. That's what's up, Gus. In the same trade as Gus. I know I'm doing the right thing. Nah, easy money. All right, Gus. Thanks for hanging out, man. Appreciate you sharing your insights, sir. It's looking real good now. Straight up. Give me the loot. Back over 146. There we go. Come on. Let's take out 7. There you go. Come on, man. Give me that 150, bro. It's such a chill move up. It's giving me comfort. But it's still not like a great amount of volume. There's 7. Buying it. Come on, get them bids up. There it is. Ooh. Five, say chill out, bro. Supernova, what's up, bro? It's 47.39 is high of this move. Man. They ain't put it in the bank yet. Appreciate you though, bro. How you been, man? How's your trading going? Man, that's awesome, bro. Living the dream. Come on, what's 47? Who cares about 47, bro? Let's go. Let's go. Got this high over here at 50, bro. Let's go to 50. Oh, man. Breaking the EMA now. It's just such a chill move up, man. It just doesn't seem like that's looking kind of sketch. If I can hold out, I'm definitely gonna sell 2 shares. I only got 3 shares of this thing, man. risking $10 a trade doesn't really give me much to work with on a $140 stock. But that's why I'm trying to be really picky about where I'm going to sell so I can hold for as much of the move as possible. But 150, I think I'm going to sell 2 at 150 and then tighten up my stock. Actually, I'll probably get all out, man. It's getting late. I got to go get on that tile job, man. Had to take the day off yesterday because my face was broken. Come on, man. Come on, man. It would have definitely been nice to get one off, sell one there for the pullback. It just didn't look like a climactic high to me where it would stop right there. It's definitely looking like a pullback now, though. Especially we just had this little wick down here. Looked like we was ready to stretch legs, man. That could be the lower high on the 15 right there, though. That's kind of what I've been low-key nervous about. Which is why it would be good to take some profit up here. I guess this is the knives we talking about them sale rules. 150 or stop loss. Well, at least my stop is at break even now. That's a big volume candle. You going back up or down? $42.50. Oh yeah, everything's based on the left. That's why I'm like the next significant high back here to me is 150. That's why I'm trying to hold for that. But I got my stop up on this 15-minute doji right here. If it breaks that low, we'll just take what we got. Should be enough to cover our red trade at least. Dude, we can take a new high here. We could move the stop up to 44.50. That would be over 47.37. All right, buyers, come on in. Come on in. Water's fine. Come on in. You bunch of hater sellers. Bunch of hater sellers, bro. That was a quick turnaround. Yeah, it might be that lower high on the 15, man. Could have got a share off of there. Sorry, though. Yeah. That is true. Now, 147.39 is definitely a sell point. Is that a challenge? Yeah, thanks, Bobby. Mm, uh, Slightly jumping the gun on my 5-minute sell rules, though. But 42.50. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, see, if I would have sold a share up here, I'd have been looking to throw another one on right here. Ain't it funny, Trey? Seems to always happen that way too. That's what's up. Better than where I'm sitting. It's seen 24,000 shares go through at 142. Whatever that means. Nah, if I would have sold some, I would have. I'm gonna stand on that, man. Maybe that'll pressure me to take profit more, but I'm not adding if I haven't taken profit. Pressure is not what I need. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's just looking tired more than anything. I didn't gave this thing room to do a 15-minute pullback now. I'm just like, bro, held hostage. Um, man, Gus had the right idea, man. In and out. It's like holla, holla. Yeah, I mean, trying to get them R's up, bro. Yeah, looks like it's curling. Yeah, it's too many candles back on the 5, man. Got up here. 3. It still look chill on the 15 though. 6 minutes till that closes. I was thinking that too, man. When I get in, especially those ones like yesterday where I get in like low a day, let a couple shares ride, you know? Let a couple shares ride. Like AMLX, you know? I was in yesterday down here at 28. Just let it ride. Makes sense, HH. Shoot, 144 would be real comforting right now. Oh, I am comforted. Nice 15-minute ad right there. Could have been. So. Might have caught it, man. 46.60. Lunchtime special. Golly. Oh, seen that 146. Bruh. Price action is buck wild. $146. Let's go. 146.20 on that pop. Come on, man. 42. There it is. Broke all sell management rules. Stop management rules. I mean, this late in the day, you kind of got to move up to the 15 for your decisions. So I saw this first red 15 close on super light volume. So I was like, it might want to make a slightly lower low and then bounce. So let me just give it a little room. Look at it go. Yo. Ghost post movie expertise. Blasted through that high.
Order filled.
What up, Stanford? Just trying to see 150. Got the Green Day secured. Nice. 149. Come on, we almost there. Wow. Could have been if I took that trade right off the open, we would have been cooking a whole different pot of soup, bro.
Order filled.
If I in red, you're unsubscribing. Nah, I just got held hostage over here.
Order filled.
Take it. That was cool. Trade the level, man. Could be so simple. So simple. Looks like you'll stay subscribed. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. It really is nice. Way easier. Then it's just patience. Waiting for the time to strike. That was cool, though. I'm working on it. Nice to have a couple greed days in a row. That's for sure. It was getting real dark last week, boy. Real dark. Playing video games. I'm done now, focus. Nah. Ooh, my mouth's starting to hurt. It's time for another dose. Yeah, this is so unnecessary. So unnecessary. It's alright, though. You live and you learn. Could have probably saved that one share, but it's time to go. What else? Let's take a little P&L snapshot for the cord. Yeah, I do feel it getting easier. It's so easy to slip, though. More work. Gotta do more work. I did do some work last night, though. That was cool. Sitting in bed in pain. It's like, well, might as well go through some charts. But anyway, we did it. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. The charts just look different when they're doing that kind of volume versus when they're not. Way easier to trade for sure. Way easier to make sense of the price action and predict where it's going. See who's in control, all that good stuff. But all right, man. What's tomorrow? Thursday? 2 more days, end of the week. I don't know what our chances of having a green week are, but we do have a chance at the green month still. Just got to do good. Yeah, let's not get ahead of ourselves for sure. One day at a time. Process. Yeah, it's true too. I'm definitely not making a rule, but high volume catalyst stocks is definitely where I want to be at for sure. But anyway, thanks for hanging out, guys. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. Catch y'all tomorrow, man. Peace.